Do parent-teacher meetings make you nervous? Today you will learn simple English phrases to speak with confidence, ask the right questions, and understand your child's progress, so you leave the meeting calm and clear. Today, I am at my child's school for parents-teacher meeting. Hello teacher, thank you for meeting with me today.
Hello, you are welcome. I am happy to talk with you.
I want to understand how my child is doing in class.
Of course, we can discuss learning and behavior.
First, can you tell me the strengths of my child?
Yes, your child is polite and listens well.
That is good to hear. What subjects are going well?
Math is strong, and reading is improving.
Wonderful. And where does my child need more help?
Writing needs more practice, especially spelling.
I see. What can we do at home to support writing?
Daily reading helps, and short writing tasks help too.
Can you give an example of a simple task?
Yes, write a short diary, 3 sentences each day.
That sounds doable. I will try that at home.
Great, consistency matters more than long study.
How is my child behavior in class, with friends?
Mostly good, but sometimes shy in group work.
I understand. My child is shy at home too.
Yes, but your child is kind, and classmates like that.
That makes me feel better. Thank you for saying that.
You are welcome. Confidence grows with support.
Is my child participating in class discussions?
Sometimes, but not always. I encourage gently.
Should I push more, or be patient?
Be patient, and practice speaking at home in small ways.
Like asking questions at dinner, and letting my child answer?
Yes, simple questions, and praise for effort.
That is helpful. I will do that.
Also, a small routine helps. Homework at the same time.
We struggle with homework time. It becomes stressful.
That is common. Try short breaks and a quiet space.
Sometimes my child says, "School is too hard."
I understand. We can build skills slowly, step by step.
Is my child falling behind, compared to others?
Not falling behind, just needs more practice in writing.
Thank you. I was worried about that.
Worry is normal, but your child is making progress.
How can we track progress, week by week?
We can set a small goal, like spelling 10 words each week.
That sounds clear. I like simple goals.
And please message me if you need help. I am here.
Thank you. I appreciate your support.
We are a team, school and home together.
Before we finish, is there anything else I should know?
Just keep encouraging and celebrate small improvements.
I will do that. Thank you for your time today.
You are welcome. I am glad we talked.
I feel more confident now, and I have a clear plan.
That is great. Your child will benefit from your support.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more